we were having flooding in the lower level here. And we hired somebody to do the outside,
Weeping tiles.
the weeping tiles. And it didn't work because flooding continued.
3 months of outside digging up around the house and days on end when he didn't come back. So we were 3 months into getting that project done. The contract did not spell out, which, you know, live and learn, did not have any warranty of any type in it. So that's where what really come back to bite us, because when we still ended up having water coming in after he was done putting new weeping tile in all the way around, and the water was just as bad, if not worse. That's when I did some research and online and found Ayers, and gave them a call, and was very, very leery until they come out to talk to us, because I've already been bit once, so I'm going to be a lot careful the second time. So I was a little rough on the guys when they came, but want to see that warranty, want to know what protection I have after I dish out this money. Are we going to be happy with our job? And in short, we're very happy with the job they done. They did what they said when they said, and been no water since they've been here. And we have a written warranty. So if we do have water, we are rest assured that we won't have a problem with them. Went beyond the call of duty to be courteous and on time. They came when they said they would. They were here bright and early, jackhammer going. So, but I was very happy with the guys that came. Very, very pleased with it. The guys that came out were very professional. They worked extra long hours to get the job completed within 3 days, and they did it.